Welcome back to my channel. Here we are at the old Nikola Assembly Plant, Coolidge, Arizona. And the last time I was here, as you can see, there is a lot of cars here. And they're all inside the assembly plant doing something. They could either be modifying or fixing cars, or it could be the Skunk Works plant where they're developing new products. Or it could be a combination of both. Or it might be something totally different. There are some Lucid cars there, look like Gravities. Now I'm flying up quite high. Don't want to draw attention to myself going over there, but there was nobody outside. There's some sedans, probably mostly Gravities. And I did see some interesting things there. This is a very short video, but they still have some Nikola semi-trucks there. I'd love to have one of those just to drive it around and see what it's like. As we head over, I kind of found something interesting in the part of the northeast part of their assembly plant there. And it's before you get to the roundabout track, which they test vehicles in. And we're coming up on it here. And we're about to see it. I was trying to find it, but I'm quite high up, and I'm probably 6 zoomed or 3 zoomed. Now I'm 6. Those are modules, battery pack modules. A whole pile of them there. Love to see if there's any battery still in it. But as I look around the assembly plant, you don't really see any activity going on there. Everybody's on the inside doing one of two things, or maybe both things. Fixing any problems with cars that may have some temporary things need to be done to it, or they're developing new products. Probably the latter. But anyway, thanks for joining me on this short little trip on Nikola Motors. Bye.